so today, 5 tips for preparing your snowblower for the winter season. Ready? Let's go.
Make, fix, grow, cook. GardenFork.
Full disclosure, this is brought to you by Troy-Bilt. I've worked with Troy-Bilt for a number of years. They're a great company, and more importantly, they're great people that work at that company. So let's go, fall prep. The most important thing, I think, to prep for is really to prep your gas. Bad gas in small engines is a bad thing. Have you pulled out your snowblower after a year in storage and it won't start, and then you take it to the shop and have to replace the carburetor? Modern day gasolines formulated for cars have ethanol in it, and ethanol and small engines like this don't mix well. So mix in this. Fuel stabilizer, gas stabilizer. Get the blue stuff or the red stuff, it doesn't matter to me. You just want one that says fuel or gasoline stabilizer. Add it according to the directions to your tank, the gas can, you know what I mean. And that assures that this machine and all your other outdoor power equipment won't gum up. If you notice in your snowblower or any of your machines, if you see mouse droppings, maybe mouse nest material, bonus tip at the end of the video, I'll show you how to deal with that. Okay? Snowblowers have a lot of moving parts. You've got the, that's a nice sound. You've got the drive mechanism, you've got the chute mechanism, you've got the blower itself, shift selection, and all that stuff has cabling. To the rescue, I like white lithium grease for this. Let me know what you like to use in the comments below. But if you can get to the top and the bottom of the cables, shoot this in there, that's a good thing. Because moisture gets in there, starts to rust, bad thing. So grease or lubricant, what do you want to call it, in there, it's a good thing. Hello, look who came to visit, huh? Where are you going? I made a bed for them and they don't want to lie down. So, one of your kids left this in the driveway and then you got 12 inches of snow, right? Coming along, right in here. Bad thing. Bad things will happen. But they won't, because your snowblower has shear pins. Shear pins are what they are. They shear, they break before you break your gearbox here. These pins are located along the shaft here, the rotor shaft. When they break, they save your gearbox. So make sure you have a couple of these. If you don't have any, go to the store, get some. This machine has a nice place to store 2 of them right here, and you put this pin underneath to keep that in place. If you have an electric start on here, which is golden, make sure also that your pull start works as well. It's not frayed, it's not broken, because sometimes if this breaks, 12 inches of snow outside, you want to start your snowblower, right? If you're interested in this particular model of Troy-Bilt, I've had this 2 years running. Nice, quite nice actually. I've made some snowblower videos, one with a drone, a lot of fun. I'll link to those at the end of this video, and they'll also be in the text below the video. I'm on the floor a lot for this video, aren't I? Tires. Just make sure they're filled up. Is this cracked? If they're cracked, get new ones in the summer when you don't need it, because in the winter, you're gonna need these to turn and move your snow, right? And bonus tip, does this look familiar? Buy a simple tire pump. Your kids can leave it in the driveway, but also, if you don't have a compressor, you don't wanna hook the thing up, I fill up everything with my tire pump. It just makes life easy. What is it, $15? This shear plate should be slightly off the asphalt or cement, okay? Oh, you came back. Well, thank you. A piece of cardboard, you want basically 1 width of cardboard height at your shear here. So lift up your snowblower, slide the cardboard underneath, so that is now the right height for the shear plate. Adjust the skid shoes so the skid shoes ride flat on the ground. If you have a gravel driveway, double up the cardboard and set it there, and then you can experiment to basically throw fewer stones. Welcome to my world. Double up for gravel. Could be like a t-shirt. All right, let's keep mice out of here. Your bonus tip, all right? Go to your neighbor's house or your parents' house and get a coffee can and a can opener. You might not have one. And then punch holes in here, like 3, 4, like that. Go to the store and get mothballs. I don't know, 6, 7, 8 of those in here. This with the holes on top of the engine. Vapor comes around the engine. Mice don't like that smell. I don't like that smell. Keeps them from nesting in there. What I want to do is keep you and I watching some more videos together. I'll be in the video and you can watch. Right here should be my drone snowblower video, which was a lot of fun. Plus also a review of this snowblower and just Eric doing cool stuff. All right? I'll see you in the next video. Right there.